You're now ready to assemble the pants as a whole. Since this pair of pants features a double-folded hem, it's best to iron the folds now for an accurate finish. Start by pressing the first fold to the inside, about 6.5 centimeters from the seam allowance, which is 7.5 centimeters from the lower edge. Later, you'll fold the hem outward at around 3 centimeters in width. Next, align the side seams of your front and back panels, right sides together, and pin them in place. Sew the seams together with a straight stitch. Then press the seam allowances apart. Now stretch the fabric as indicated on your pattern and align the inseams. Sew the inseams and press the seam allowances apart. Repeating the process on the other side. At this point, the pants are nearly complete, with only the center back seam still open. Align the two sides, right sides together, and sew the seam in one continuous motion. Press the seam allowances apart. Finish by sewing the open edge of the hems to the inside of the pants with a straight stitch around the legs. Then, fold the hem upwards to a height of about 3 to 4 centimeters. And secure the folds along the side seams to ensure they maintain their shape even after washing. You're almost finished. The only step left is the waistband, which we'll cover in the next video.